Hey guys, welcome again to this another video. And for today's video, I will show you guys on how to download a paid app for free. Yes, for free. So first let's go to our Play Store to see some applications that it requires to purchase before you can download. Okay, so let's say the paid games. Okay, so it shows the cost of the each games. Okay, so so let's try this Bike My Hand Mountain Racing for this example. Okay, so first thing you need to do, okay, is you need to install first one application called the AZ Market. Okay, so let's go to our browser. Okay, oops, let's go to our browser and just type AZ Market. Okay, here we go, and just we are looking for the APK file. Okay, so just hit this up. Installing the application. I'm gonna download AZ Market. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, and here's the APK file. Of course, choose the latest version, which is the 4.5.4, the latest version, and hit download. Of course. Okay, so choose download, and it's ready to go. Okay, so after the progress bar finished, and you just install the AZ Market. Okay, so just make sure you enable the unknown sources for you to able to install the application. Okay, so I will cancel this first because I have already the AZ Market app. Okay, so it doesn't need to install. Okay, so here's the application. So let's open the AZ Market. Okay, so and these are the application that you can download for free, and these apps are already paid apps, so it doesn't require you to purchase it. Okay, so now let's go to a search and just type what again. Let's go to Play Store. Okay, paid games. So let's try the Bike My Hand Mountain Racing. It costs of 16 pesos. Okay, I'm here in the Philippines. Okay, Pilipino po ako. So let's go to our AZ Market. So here's the okay, so here's the Bike My Hand Mountain Racing. I already searched that game, so that's why it pop up. And here's the game. Okay, so hit this one, and okay, and here's the game, and it shows the cost of this game for about $0.74. But the word is already paid, and just hit the download arrow. Okay, and it start to download. Okay, and now it's downloading. So just wait the progress bar to finish. So let's wait. Okay guys, so I just want to tell you that not all apps for this Play Store, for the Play Store, that you need to purchase is also having on the that application on the AZ Market. Only those paid app that uploaded on the AZ Market, those only application that you you can download for free. So let's install the Bike Mayhem. Okay, so now it's done, and let's open the game. Okay, there we go. Hit play, introduction, play. Okay. Okay, so it shows if it's playable. Okay, so okay. Oh, what's that? Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and you can hit like or dislike if you want, but if this video will help you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe and bell icon for you to see my latest upload video. And again, this is Elif Argitarus. Thanks and God bless.